Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first method, click to start and then click setting, check Windows update, then click to Windows update, click to Windows update. So it is always up to date. If it is showing like file need to download and restart, so please complete it. Okay, then close. Then next, open the browser, click on three dot and scroll down, find out extensions, manage extensions. And after that remove all the extensions, which is you can see here. Okay, so remove it, then minimize, then again open the browser and then click three dot, then history. Okay, and then clean data, select all day, show more, only download history, cache files, cookies and browsing history. Agar you don't want to download history, just uncheck it, because crashes and cookies this is required. Browsing history also, this two thing is required. Then click to close. Okay, and then close it, then again restart the browser, then disable hardware accelerations. So click to start, go to setting, then click on system, then just turn off this graphic accelerations when available. Okay, and then relaunch again, then close it, then click to again click on three dot, scroll down, setting, then find out about system. Okay, so type in search box reset. So you can see restore system settings and click to reset setting. After that close it, then next click to start, type cmd and then right click to run as administrator, click to yes, then type first sfc space slash scan now and then hit enter. After that it will start some percentage and it will complete after some time, so please wait it, because of this command is very important. Like see, you can see. Okay, so it will stuck na, so no worry, when you click to it and press to zero na, then you can. Then next command, it is completed. Then next command, this one I will give you a description so you can copy and paste. Otherwise, you can type manually this one, DISM, online clean image restore health. This is important for your system repair. Okay. So sometime what happens, some dial and Windows file is corrupted after update or after you downloading some software. So this is for the repair and restore. Okay. Then it is doing, then open any other browser. So type Google search box, after that type Chrome download, you can see download Chrome. Otherwise you can type manually download Chrome. Okay, so this first link, then click to download. So now it is started and it is completed. So open this file, then click to yes. Now it is starting. You can see guys, 3.8, this percentage is stuck, so no worry about it. Select this and then hit enter, so it will start again. And this is also doing. And after all the completed this task, then finally restart and then check your Chrome browser is high utilization in the task manager or not. Now this is installing, that's why showing. Let's see. Then it is completed and it will open automatically. And this is also starting, so it will complete, then restart and then check it. Thank you guys.